November 90 Tango Kilo, with the visual 26 left.
90 Tango Kilo, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 240 at 6, gust 17.
And 26 left, 0 Tango Kilo.
Gulfstream 70 Mike, 3,800 visual for 26 left.
Echo Julia Mike, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 230 at 8, gust 17, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land, that will understand more number 67, good Mike.
And 90 Tango Kilo, where are you parking? Go to SAS?
Yeah.
90 Tango Kilo, second right turn on right turn at Alpha Niner, and then you can use taxi line Bravo to SAS with me. Have a great day.
Alpha Niner, Alpha, Bravo, go Tango.
Course 441 Kilo Papa, runway 26 left, line of point.
Going 125.
Concourse 1 Kilo Papa, wind 240 at 8, fly runway heading for now, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway heading, 4 Kilo Papa.
Concourse 1 Kilo Papa, when able, turn right heading 310.
310, 44 Kilo Papa.
441 Kilo Papa, contact St. Louis departure, have a great flight.
Departure, Kilo Papa.
Spirit Tower, King Air 128 Victor Tango, visual 26 left.
King Air 128 Victor Tango, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 240 at 6, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, 128 Victor Tango.
And King Air 128 Victor Tango, where are you parking today?
Millionaire, sir. 128 Big Tango.
To Victor Tango, you can turn right there at the high-speed Alpha 6, taxi via Alpha 2 Millionaire with me. Have a great day.
Right, Alpha 6 on the right, and stay with you on Alpha 2 Millionaires. 128 Big Tango.
25 Bravo Golf with you on the visual 26 left.
Station 25 Bravo Golf, Superior Tower, good afternoon, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Land 26 left, 5 Bravo Golf, thank you.
Check 416, we're checking in you. We're on a downwind for 26 left.
416 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, place at 416.
Right when able, taxi around via Alpha.
Right when able via Alpha, and we're going up to...
Alright, 831 Romeo Whiskey, sending for the visual 26.
21 Romeo Whiskey, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, Romeo Whiskey.
Romeo Whiskey, use caution, there are multiple helicopters operating on the north side. There should be no to you at all times. Alpha 9, straight across.
Straight across, Romeo. 21, ILS 26 left.
Jimmy 1 tower, keep your speed as best possible, runway 26 left, go to line.
Clear to land, crew check 1081. To the ramp, yeah, Alpha, crew check 1081.
That was E for the left.
Foxtrot tower, runway 26 left, go to line.
And what's wind now?
210 at 5. Foxtrot taxi ramp VL. 85. Heavy up and ready.
Gas light 7.
Lay fire runway heading runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Commerce tank 1, 2 mile left base.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, no delay, runway heading, gas light 7.
Thanks for your up, contact transport traffic of 5.
Good day, gas light 7. Point left downwind 26 left.
Check 1 tower, runway 26 left, go to line.
Runway 26 left, commerce tank 1.
Tank 1 right out, base straight in.
Straight in, commerce. Going right for departure, runway 26 left.
Tank 1 tower, waiting off hours. Tank 1 just got a 5 runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, commerce tank 1.
Tank 1, contact transport traffic of 5.
Departure, commerce tank 1, have a great evening.
Tower, good afternoon. Cirrus November 24 Charlie Romeo is 10 miles to the southeast for full stop 8 pound landing 26 left.
24 Charlie Romeo, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 26 left, 24 Charlie Romeo.
clear runway fair parking.
We're going to Aero Jet Center, 24 Charlie Romeo.
Roll out to Alpha 8. That'll be your second right-hand turn after the reverse high speed and taxi straight in.
Alpha 8 and then right-hand turn, 24 Charlie Romeo.
16 will be holding short of 26 left. We'll be ready to go at the end.
416, Spirit Tower, Roger. I'll be working on your release. Get you going momentarily. Jet 416, I have that release now. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, select at 416.
Departure, have a great flight.
Today, flight 416.